Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube subtitles bigger. So first of all, open up the YouTube app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure that your YouTube app is updated from the Play Store or the App Store. Now once you are here, you need to click on the profile picture at the top right corner. Now it will take you to here. Now you need to tap settings at the bottom. Alright, now out of all these options, scroll down till the bottom and you will see one of the options as captions. Okay, you need to tap on captions. Now you can see at the top accessibility is right now turned off. What you need to do is simply turn it on. Right now you can see captions will look like this. Now captions are mainly subtitles. Now you can see the text size is normal. You can actually tap on the normal here and you will see very small, large and very large. You can click on large here and then you can click on very large. Okay, so mainly you can click on simply large and it will start showing the subtitles a bit bigger than the normal ones. All right, so this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.